first award that's going to be given away. It's going to be given away from Peter. All right, come on, Peter. You can do this. Come up with me.
For the category of DIY of the Year, this award is presented to Charlene Kia.
It's so amazing to be recognized by peers for something that I'm so passionate about. So thank you very much.
Heather's going to be presenting the category of antique finds.
Presented to Kelton Livich.
This category is Home Decor Hero, presented to, the amazing sister duo, Ashley and Heather Bitt. Come up here, girls. The next award up is for Donor of the Year. This award goes to Doreen Essie House, who unfortunately was unable to join us tonight. With that being said, we have an honorary donor of the year in attendance, College Hunks. Oh, they're hunky, ladies. They're hunky.
And it makes us very, very happy that our efforts are helping Albertans with disabilities find meaningful employment. So thank you.
We are excited to announce the next award for Fashionable Finds, and it goes to Emily Gagnon.
I just love how it nurtures my creativity, and I'm sure it does that for a lot of people in the community. So, thank you.
You guys are the first class ever into the Thrifting Hall of Fame, so congratulations.